Alright, hello everybody. So it's been a while since I've taken you all through a trade, so let's do that again today. So what we're going to look at today is a setup that I noticed, unfortunately in hindsight, but it kind of clicked, so I'm going to share it with you so that you understand it and also will help me understand it more. So basically we're looking at a price action trade that's about a break from a balance. Now I tend to struggle with these price action trades because often I look at the market and go, oh, this structure should break or that structure should break, and I'm kind of like looking for targets. But often I find that then when I go to take price action trades, either I miss them or I get in because of the price action. I hold them too long trying to like go for some target, but I'm not really kind of like properly present with the market, and so I end up holding it and it comes all the way back. Whereas I suppose the way you should approach it is, you know, when the price action starts and initiates a trade, you get in. When it ends, you get out. So that's that. So basically now what we're going to look at is a setup in the market. So the setup is in the bund, and I will talk you through what I was looking at. Okay, so we had an offer in the bonds last week and they came down, and this was a really important low, a really big yield level. However, the participation in the market was quite poor. Like, you've got a poor low here, and the price action, the shape of these profiles here are just like not really suggesting very good participation. So anyway, the fact this market really couldn't offer sort of suggested to me that maybe it needed to squeeze and resolve, you know, like one of these sides before it could potentially continue its move. And so what I was thinking here today was just looking to see if this market could bid up. Now if we look to the 1 minute, the market opened up a bit higher, so above Friday's close, and then offered quite back deep down into to Friday's range. So that suggested to me that I couldn't really be looking to get long in the morning because the market hadn't shown me any strength. Now the market balance for the sort of like middle of the day formed this nice balance and then broke out in the afternoon. So the trade that I was really interested in here is like, how can I get on the break of this? Now I went and I looked at the price later and looked at over this period here, so when the market sort of was making this high, and then again as the market came and broke out here, and then I watched it again here as the market broke away. And so this was really interesting. So like when the market came up to here the first time, there was almost like the ladder, the pace was really slow. There was not really a lot going on. There was absorption at the 35 price, and the market came off. The market bid up again here. Again, the price ladder was actually quite slow. However, this time there was a slight bit of buying delta into it, where before the delta was flat. Volumes also weren't all that great. And then when the market bid, it kind of like took prices but without much two-way trades. It was almost just like really easy, low effort bid up, which isn't really a great sustainable sign. So when you look at this on the footprint, there's not a lot there. The market came off. And then in the afternoon, when the market bid away, where you started to see really good delta, you started to see more volume in the market. And then the market actually held here, and you can see here on this test down that actually the market, you know, got sold into, the bid got sold into, the buyers got sold into. But here the bid got tested and then held firm, and then you bid away. You're looking at this breakaway from this balance, the market goes in up here, the market's starting to struggle. So your trades in here, you know, because you're getting this price action, this firm bid, and then you're getting out up here because that bid's starting to fade. Okay, so the pattern that I just showed you, or the idea I just showed you, that was a lot based around price action. Now, price action is a key tool that we use here at Axia Futures. Go check out elitetraderworkshop.com, where Alex has got some information about what Axia has to offer, and maybe you can learn a bit about price action with us. All right, see you later, everyone.